Working with geographic data and encountered a VRT file referencing other raster sources. This is a virtual format file used in GIS applications to combine multiple datasets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these virtual world GIS files. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest VRT files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. VRT files are GDAL Virtual Format files used in geographic information systems to create virtual raster datasets that reference and combine multiple source files. They enable mosaicking, subsetting, and band manipulation without duplicating data, acting as XML descriptors that define how source rasters compose a virtual unified dataset. VRT files use XML structure following the GDAL VRT specification, with elements defining raster size projection, geotransform parameters, band configurations, source file references, and pixel-level operations. The format supports complex source mappings, color interpretations, metadata tags, and processing functions applied virtually to source data. Your primary troubleshooting tool for VRT should be the Specialized Internet Explorer by Microsoft Corporation. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows cannot display geographic projections, requiring mapping software for proper use. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your VRT file and choose Open with Test Internet Explorer if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If your VRT file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening in QGIS. Open the VRT file in QGIS through Layer, then Add Raster Layer. QGIS uses GDAL to interpret the VRT file and display the virtual raster as a unified layer, combining all source data. This enables analysis and visualization without modifying the original source raster files. Next, using GDAL tools. Process VRT files with GDAL command line utilities like GDAL info to inspect metadata, GDAL translate to convert to physical formats, or GDAL warp for reprojection. The GDAL build VRT utility creates new VRT files from source rasters, making it easy to build virtual mosaics or stacks from multiple data sources. Finally, editing VRT XML. Open the VRT file in a text editor to manually modify the XML structure, adjusting source references, band mappings, or processing parameters. This direct editing approach allows fine-tuning virtual raster definitions for specific analytical needs without using GIS software for every configuration change. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.